Hello, welcome to podcast number 3, Plato's Parable of the Cave. Let's start with your discussion boards, okay? Your first discussion board. Some general notes. First of all, when you write a discussion board, always have a critical title. So after you write your discussion board, read it over and try to distill it down to a coherent, thesis-driven statement of about 10 to 12 words. Very hard to do to create a critical title, uh, but it's something that you want to, learn how to do, and it's something that you want to definitely have on a discussion board so that you're trying to persuade people to read your discussion board. So if you don't have a title which really indicates the problem that you've contextualized, how you've textualized it in your thesis, right? Those sort of 3 points, right? Again, very hard to do in 10 to 12 words. If you can't really do that in a critical title, then you're not really inviting people to read your text. Okay, you're basically just throwing Jello on the wall and saying, "Here's 250 words. Take a look at it." Okay, please. So a title invites people. A critical title invites people into the conversation and gives them a purchase, shows them what you're talking about, right? So they can organize their reading of the whole discussion board. Secondly, also contextualize a specific part of the text, okay? So I gave you a template of 10 scenes to work with, right? So you please use these templates, okay? They are very important to organize the discussion. Um, and so we know where everyone is, what they're talking about, what type of argument they're trying to make, okay? So I'll do this a lot, okay? I'll sort of break down the text for you into categories and parts and ask you to pick one part or the other and put your argument, into that part, okay? And so it's very important just for the running of a seminar in general, but very, very important for a digital seminar, which is what we are doing, okay? So make sure that you not only contextualize with a good critical title, but you textualize. You tell us specifically where you are in the text. The final thing is to textualize in terms of parenthetical citation. Most people did a good job of quoting the text, but in the future you want to quote the text with a parenthetical citation to show where it actually comes from. Granted, with this text it was a little hard to do, but you could put page 1, page 2, or page 3. So just keep those general thoughts in mind.